We know now the world is being hit by a deadly virus that is COVID-19 that has infected and claimed millions of lives. This makes us have to be at home to stop the chain spreading of the virus. COVID-19 makes all areas are closed, like mall, cinemas, and football stadium. But now it has been reopened with health protocols that must be obeyed. Now schools are not yet open and require students to learn from home as directed by the government. Learning. Of course, there are pros and cons. In fact, I agree with distance learning system like this because of the COVID pandemic, which makes it impossible to learn face to face. We cannot force ourselves because the risk is too great, especially school children who are not familiar with health protocols and who may not want to complete. Online learning is actually very useful in the present. We can do the work of the teacher by looking for it on Google or other search engines. Advantage of online learning is practical and flexible. The first benefit of online learning that is practical. With online learning, interaction between teachers and students will be more practical because they do not have to travel to meet. Teaching and learning process can take place anywhere as long as it is conducive and can help to focus. Secondly, Indonesian education is more advanced. With a learning system like this, at least Indonesian education is more advanced, although a little, because there are many other developed countries that have implemented a learning system like this. Third, students can develop themselves studying online that doesn't take much time, can enable students to develop themselves in other things, such as reading, drawing, while on the side of weaknesses. 1. Task accumulate. Although studying at home, students cannot live in peace because they have to face the assessment given by instructor. 2. Spend a lot of internet or quota data. Students who usually buy internet package once a month can now buy internet package 2 or 3 times in a month. 3. Learning material is difficult to obtain. Online learning systems do save time, but not necessarily online learning is more effective in receiving learning material for students. For myself, but it still interferes with learning. That is the focus and the internet network. Focusing on the material present then doing the assessment is not easy. During a pandemic, we are only present with materials and work on the college assessment. Yes, very simple and practical, right? But the real problem is we know many students who don't have cell phones and of course good internet networks. We can see on the television there are children who borrow neighbors' cell phones to take part in learning. Those who have cell phones have no internet connection, no money to buy internet package and other problems. While those who have cell phones are sometimes ready to do the work. It is difficult nowadays. Schools are closed and forced to study online. Pros and cons must be there. How do we live it? Learning now, in my opinion, is more about training, not education. Yes, now we can only pray that this COVID pandemic will end soon and school learning can resume. For closing, I am as a student and represent other students, of course. I just ask not to burden us with assessment. Thanks, see you again.
Lagi di rumah deh guys. Jangan lupa like,